Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing and hands-on with the new gaming laptop from ASUS in India under the TUF series. This is the budget gaming laptop which is priced 59,999, and this is the FX505 DY laptop from ASUS. So on this channel we already done the hands-on with the FX505, but that was with Intel Core i5 processor. But now we have the AMD Ryzen 5 chipset. Along with that, it also comes with a Radeon Vega 8 integrated graphics. It also has AMD's discrete Radeon RX 560X GPU included, and this comes with 8GB RAM and 1TB hard disk is included. So this is an entry-level gaming laptop. You won't get high-end gaming. This is for gamers who are looking to get into the gaming laptop. This is an entry-level laptop which is priced 60K, and this comes in two configuration. We have the 15.6 inches. There is also the 17.3 variant as well, which is FX705 DY. This is FX505 DY, which is a 15.6 inches laptop. These two laptops were first announced at CES 2019, and ASUS has launched this in India in the end of March 2019. So these are available right now, and this will sell along with the FX505, the Intel and NVIDIA GeForce graphics variant. This has the AMD variant. So this is the box package. So you can see this is the box package of the FX505 DY, and this is a TUF gaming series. Apart from that, looking at the quick specifications, it's powered by the Ryzen 5 3550H processor with 8GB RAM and 1TB of hard disk is included. Then it also has a 3-cell 48Wh battery, 15.6 inches display. This is again the Nano Edge display as the company claims. So we'll just open the box package. So this is the box. So just taking this out. So opening up the box. So now we have the laptop here. So we'll just take this out. So there you go. That's the ASUS FX505 DY TUF series laptop. So it looks good in terms of the finishing. You can see that it has a brushed finishing. It's a plastic build quality. It's around 2.2 kilogram in weight, so it's not lightweight, but then you have to understand that all the gaming laptops are slightly heavy. So you can see that this is ASUS branding here, and we have a slight pattern also is included here along with the cut, and looks pretty good actually. And this is the FX505 DY laptop. So we'll just talk about the laptop in a while. Apart from that, you also get the manuals and the warranty information included. Then you get the adapter. So this is the adapter included with the box package. So this is output is 19 volt 6.32 ampere. That's the one which is included, and you also get the cable for charging. So that's the cable. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the laptop. So now we have booted the ASUS FX505 DY laptop. You can see that this is the build quality. The important thing about this laptop is that even at this price segment you get this edge-to-edge display. You can see that the bezels have been minimalized. Only at the bottom you can see the large bezels where we have the ASUS branding as well. The display is a 15.6 inch anti-glare IPS LCD panel. It's a full HD resolution display. Apart from that, this also has 60 Hz refresh rate, so the display is quite good on this laptop. So the edge-to-edge display looks pretty good. So apart from that, it also comes with 7.1 surround sound. DTS surround sound is included, so that should improve the gaming experience as well. It also has hyper cool technology, so to keep the temperature to minimal while gaming, that's also included. Along with that, this is a military grade certification is also included. That is available for most of the ASUS laptops, so that's included for this laptop as well. And it has the graphics card, the dedicated graphics card, AMD Radeon RX 560X with 4GB RAM, and the dedicated RAM is 8GB, which is powered by the Ryzen 5 processor, which has 2.1 GHz, the 3550H processor. And you can also expand the RAM, which is optional. You can expand up to 32GB, which is available, so that's another option available. So this comes with Windows 10 home version, and this has 1 TB of hard disk space included. Now let's also have a look at the ports available on this laptop. So you can see that all the ports are on the left side of the laptop. So we have the charging slot, we have the LAN port, the dedicated HDMI port, then we have one USB 2.0 port and two USB 3.1 port, and a headphone jack is also included. So overall you can see that the fit and finish and build quality is quite good. You can see that the material finishing, even though it's plastic, looks pretty good with the brushed finishing, and overall it gives it a good feel for gamers. It also has a pretty good keyboard. This has a red backlit keyboard. You can see the travel is quite good and it's pretty soft to use as well, and good feedback overall from the keyboard. And you can also see the dedicated number pad is also included along with a good layout for the keyboard. Now there is also trackpad, which works quite well, although it's not very accurate, but it works quite well for the most part and does the job. So that's the laptop. So it also has 45 watt-hour battery that's included, so it should give you decent performance. We'll have to test it out in detail to get an idea about how the performance is. Now let's have a look at the benchmark scores for this laptop. So the Geekbench score, single core score is 2125, and multi-core score is 9232. That's the two scores available, the Geekbench single core and multi-core score. Now we also tested the read-write speed of this laptop, and you can see this is the read-write speed with the 1 TB hard disk available on this laptop. So that's the benchmark score. So that was a hands-on with the FX505 DY laptop, the new laptop with AMD Ryzen 5 and the Radeon graphics included. So overall this gives a good experience for beginners who are looking to get into gaming with laptops. So that's the targeted consumers for this laptop, and this is officially priced 59,999, but this is available on Amazon for right now for 49,999, which is almost a good deal if you're looking for an entry-level gaming laptop. And we're not really sure whether this is an offer pricing, but you can get this for 50k, and we'll share the link in the description of this video. So overall that FX505 DY TUF series laptop looks like a good entry-level laptop. We'll have to test more to see how the gaming experience is, so we'll do that and we'll post a different video. So this is just a hands-on with the FX505 DY laptop. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.